Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water filter in your ice machine, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply to the appliance. Shut off the water supply as well. When installing a water filter for the first time, you will need to remove the filter housing plug. To remove an old water filter, rotate the filter counterclockwise as you pull it out. Before you install the new water filter, remove the protective cap and confirm that the two O-rings are in place. Align the pin on the filter with the notch in the housing, then push the filter in while rotating it clockwise. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your ice machine should be ready for use.